Hi guys, welcome back in our new lesson. Our new lesson this time will be More and More Textbook Unit 9. Let's go. First, match the activities with the pictures. We have stop using plastic, cut down trees, pollute the seas, plug the electronic devices, plant trees, and so on. Let's start with the first one. It's A. Stop using plastic. 2. Which one? Can you guess? Let's see. It's D. Plug the electronic devices. 3. We have here many things. It's I. Sort out our rubbish. Number 4. It's C. Pollute the seas. Number 5. It's J. Save energy. Number 6. It's E. Plant tree or plant trees. Number 7. It's F. Turn off the lights. Number 8. It's G. Throw garbage on the street. Don't do this, okay? 9. It's H. Save the planet. And the last one, 10. It's B. Cut down trees. Okay, I want you to write these correct answers on your box. Okay, let's go to the next one. 2. Categorize the activities. Here we have good for the environment and bad for the environment. What do you think? Stop air pollution. Is it good for the environment or bad for the environment? Of course, it's good. So, here we have stop air pollution, use eco-friendly products, save energy, use recycling bins, turn off the lights, stop global warming, and use less water, and grow planets, and unplug electrical devices. On the other side, we have bad for our environment. We have throw rubbish on the ground and harm animals, waste water, make air pollution, and cut down trees. All of these activities are bad for the environment. Okay, you can see it again. Write all of these answers on your box, please. Let's go to the next one. Match the halves of the phrases. We have stop, noise pollution. Next one, save. Which one? Save the environment, I guess. Yes. And we have reduce the amount of rubbish, classify the rubbish, use less water. All of these activities to save our planet. Okay, next page. Let's check again. Now let's go to the next page. Complete the sentences with should or shouldn't. You know these words, should or shouldn't. Number 1, we save our planet. Which one? We should or we shouldn't? Of course, we should. People should or shouldn't harm animals? Of course, shouldn't. We should or shouldn't plug the electrical devices just before we use them at home? We should plug them just before we use them. Okay? Students shouldn't throw rubbish on the ground at school. People should or shouldn't plant more trees for our environment? Of course, it should. Okay, the next one. Match the questions with the answers. Number 1, what do you do to protect the environment? Which one? Which one do you do? It's B. I always throw the rubbish in the bins to protect our environment. 2, what materials can we recycle? We can recycle paper, glass, plastic, and metal. Okay, so it's E. 3, how can we save energy? We can unplug the electrical devices when we don't use them. It's A. Should we separate our trash? Yes, of course. Yes, it is important for recycling materials. We should separate our trash. And the last one, is it important to unplug the electrical devices at home? Yes, it is. So it's D. Yes, it is important for saving energy. So we have B, E, A, C, and D. Well done. Next exercise. Match the types of pollution with the pictures. We have noise pollution, we have air pollution, we have water pollution, and land pollution. Which one is this? Of course, it's air pollution. B. Number 2, it's water pollution. And number 3, it's noise pollution. It's A. Number 4, it's the last one, it's land pollution. D. So we have B, C, A, and D. Okay? Good job. Next one. Complete the sentences with the correct verbs. We have waste, we have prefer, reuse, stop, and through. We can walking for short distances to reduce air pollution. Which one? We can. What do you think? Okay, we can prefer walking. 2, people can global warming to protect the planet. Which one? Waste? No. Reuse? No. It's stop. People can stop global warming to protect the planet. 3. We can some items such as jars, newspapers, bottles, and courier packages. Which one? We can reuse. We can reuse some items. 4. We have throw and waste. For a clean environment, we should our rubbish in the bins. Of course, it's through. And the last one, people shouldn't waste energy in their houses. So number 1, prefer. 2, stop. 3, reuse. 4, through. 5, waste. Okay, well done. Next page. It's test number 1. Okay, choose the correct headline for the picture. Is it save energy, or save street animals, or waste water, or keep the environment clean? Which one do you think? Of course, it talks about street animals. So the answer is B, save street animals. 2. Martin, trees are very important for our environment. I think we should plant more trees. Okay, you are right. What did Martin and Kevin decide to do? They decided to save water, or they decided to stop noise pollution, or they decided to plant trees, or they decided to recycle trees. Of course, they decided to plant trees. So the answer is C. Okay. Okay, next one. 3. Which option does not complete the sentence? The sentence, to protect the environment, we should cause air pollution. No, of course. Turn off the lights, or use less energy, or recycle. We should not do it, or does not complete the sentence. So it's A. Okay? We shouldn't, and here he said we should. Sorry again. 4. What is the picture about? What is this about? It is about recycling materials, or it shows how to stop global warming, or the picture is a poster about saving water, or it is about water pollution. Of course, it is about recycling. So the answer is A. Number 5. Do you recycle at home? I can recycle paper, glass, and plastic. What materials can you recycle? Yes, I do. It is very important for our environment. Let's put these in the correct order. So the answer is 1 and 4, then 3, the last one would be 2. Well done. Next, here we have land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Which of the following is correct? Number 1, it should be air pollution, so it's C, I guess. And number 2, it's water pollution, so it's B. And the last one, it's land pollution, number A. So the answer is B. Next test. Oh, we still at test 1. Okay. 7. To stop global warming, we should stop wasting energy. We shouldn't harm animals. Using our cars is a big problem for the environment. We should use buses instead of cars for clean air. To save energy, we should unplug the electrical devices after we use them. Who talks about air pollution? Which one of them? The answer is Steve. D. Okay. Well done. 8. Your teacher wants you to prepare a poster for land pollution. Which of the following posters do you prepare? Which one? Here we are talking about land pollution. Okay, good job. It's A. Of course, it's A. Okay, next. Answer the questions 9 and 10 according to the next below. 22nd April is Earth Day. People do many things on this day. Some people use buses instead of cars. People don't waste water, and they use less energy at home. They don't drop litter around. They know it is important to clean the seas, air, and the environment. They also feed street animals on Earth Day. It is an important day to protect the environment. Let's see number 9. When is Earth Day? It is on the 22nd of April. So the answer is B. 10. Which option is correct? Okay, the answer is people do many things to protect the environment on Earth Day. Well done. Let's go to the next page. Test 2. Number 1. Let's complete the blank. We should save energy. So which one? What should we do to protect our world? Or how do you come back home from school? Do you use electrical devices at home? Do you watch TV in the evenings? Which one? Let me hear you. Of course, what should we do to protect our world? So it's number 1, or A. Number 2, Thomas, what should we do to reduce air pollution? We should. Which one of these is the correct answer? Unplug the TV, plant more trees, recycle batteries, or put the litter into the rubbish bin. Of course, it's plant more trees for this picture. 3. I live in a small village. People cut down trees to make new farmlands and buildings in the village. They give harm to animals. Also, they don't recycle plastic, paper, or batteries. They threw the rubbish around. What should the people in the village not do? Cutting down trees, or taking care of the animals, or recycling products, or classifying their garbage. Which one they not do? Cutting down trees. They should not do. 4. Your friend needs your suggestion. She wants to save energy at home. So what do you suggest to her? She should plant more trees, or she shouldn't throw the rubbish around, or she should unplug the electrical devices, or she should recycle. Which one? She should unplug the electrical devices to save energy at home. 5. What are you doing there? What are you doing there? I'm brushing my teeth, but the water is running. What should James tell Jessica to do? You shouldn't waste water, or you shouldn't destroy forests, or you should recycle batteries, or you shouldn't harm animals. Of course, you shouldn't waste water. So the answer is A. Number 6, to save our world, use public transportation or keep the seas clean. Do not drive to work. Do not cut down trees. Which one is false? Okay, we should use public transportation more, or we shouldn't drive to work, or we should keep the seas clean, or we should cut down trees. Which one is false? It's D. We should cut down trees. It's false. Next page. What does the picture mean? Don't throw the rubbish around. Put your batteries into the recycling bin. Don't cut down trees, or don't pour waste into the sea. Don't throw the rubbish around. A. Number 8. A teacher asks some questions to the students. Here are the answers. Student A, we can recycle paper, glass, and metal. Student B, we can unplug the electrical devices after we use them. Student C, first we should sort out our rubbish. Which of the following questions does the teacher not ask the students? How can we save energy? What should we do first to recycle? How do you go to school? What materials can we recycle? The answer is C. How do you go to school? The teacher didn't ask the students about this. Number 9. What is the picture about? It shows how to classify our rubbish. It is about how to save animals. It shows how people pollute the air. It shows how people waste water. Of course, it's A. How to classify our rubbish. 10. The chart shows the increase in global warming. Complete the sentence. After 2010, global warming started to increase. Global warming didn't increase. People stopped global warming. And D, global warming was very low. Of course, it's A. It started to increase after 2010. Okay guys, this is the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.